Okay, in the last video, I have discussed how to create a data frame with the help of series and with the help of list, and with the help of dictionary. Okay, now in this video, in this lecture, we will try to discuss how to how to read a data file, how to read a CSV file. Okay, so what is the CSV file? CSV file is a comma separated file. Okay, uh, because this file is used very frequently. So why we use the CSV file? Because if you see any data science project, mostly data science project, the data are in the form of comma separated file or CSV file, and CSV file are used easy to understand and easy to create. Okay, and it is very universal uses of this type of file, CSV file. And mostly data science project related to any type of data, most of time you have a comma separated file. Okay, so we need to discuss this comma separated file. Now we will discuss how to read this comma separated file with the help of pandas. Okay, first we need to import pandas. So first we write import pandas as name, suppose PD. Okay, and then simple run. Now you can see here when import is complete, you can see here 1. Okay, after importing pandas as a PD, first we need to read a CSV file. Okay, how to read CSV file? For this we use the pd.read CSV. Simple, first we write pd.read underscore CSV. Okay, and then we pass here path our file. Okay, first we need to go where is our data is in my system, and if we have data in CSV format data, we pass in the here. Okay, so first we go in our system. Okay, 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 you can see here in this PC, in the C format, my file is in we go in C drive first. Okay, and then user, and then my name, and suppose first we copy here iris dataset. Okay, this is the iris dataset. So first we need to click here. Okay, or you can simply first, okay, or you can see from here you can see the path of my file. Okay, and then copy this file. Okay, okay, this is the iris dataset. Okay, now go there, and in the separate, in double inverted comma, or you can use single inverted comma, uh, paste here. Okay, this is my path name. Okay, if you can see here the .csv extension is here. If your file has not CSV extension, first you need to put .csv. Okay, okay, now run. Simply we use pd.read CSV, and then pass the path of this file, the iris dataset. Okay, so now enter plus shift plus enter, it means run. Okay, very good. You can see this is the iris dataset. Okay, here 150 rows and 5 columns: petal length, petal width, and species. Okay, now when you specify your pd pandas.read CSV file, when you specify this name, it means this data, this path is saved in your current working directory. If you want to know where is your file is saved, so for this we use the OS model. Okay, so for this we import, first we need to import OS. Okay, and run. Now simple print. With the help of this model, OS model, you can see where is current working directory stored. Okay, so for this simple import OS and then print and here pass OS dot get cwd current working directory and simply run this. Okay, you can see this current working directory is saved as my user, in my user file. Okay, in the okay, in the C directory. So with the help of this you can see where is current directory is saved. Okay, hope so it is very helpful for you. So if you have any type of query related to the how to import, in the next video we will discuss how to write the this CSV file. Write means how to clean our data and related operations. Okay, and how to change uh, our data. Okay, how to convert data in a raw data into well shuffled or well clean data. Okay, so I think it is clear of all of you. If you have any type of query, please write in comment section. Okay, hope so it is very helpful for you. Thank you so much.